Hello guys, so this one is the last one from me, right? I need you guys to pay attention on this. It looks easy, but it's not, and it's also not difficult as well. You just need to know how to solve it, right? So let's say, for example, they say, what is the probability of getting um, an odd number or a number that is divisible by 5, right? So from a die, when you roll a die, right? So what is the simple space for a die? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So let's check how many odd numbers are there. We have 1, 2, 3. We have three numbers. It's 1, 3, and 5. Those are the odd numbers. Let's write them down. It's 3 out of 6. So they say or. So you need an odd number or a number that is divisible by 5. So remember, when we say or, we always have to add, right? And is for multiplication, or is for addition. So what are we adding this number with, right? The number that is divisible by 5 is 5. It's 5 only, right? It's going to be 1 over 6. So now this is where I want you guys to be careful, because now if you check here, when we count this, the numbers, we have 1, 3, 5, and we are counting 5 twice. So if we count 5 twice, we are going to have 4, because if we add these two, they are going to be, for example, 4 over 6, and then you can simplify this, right? And this is not how it should be. It's not finished here. So what we should do is we need to make sure that we don't count 5 twice. We only need to count 5 once, because there's only one 5 here. There's only one 5, so we need to count it once. But in this way, we counted it twice, because it falls in the odd numbers, and as well as the number that is divisible by 5. So this is how we are going to do this. For sure you have seen this formula. So you're going to probability. I don't have space, I'll just do the calculations. So it's going to be 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6 minus 1 over 6. So where do I get this? Here is the formula. Probability of, let's say, or or number divisible by 5. Let's say this is divisible by 5, right? Is equals to probability of odd plus probability of a number that is divisible by 5 minus probability of odd and a number that is divisible by 5. So here, this part here helps us to deal with this problem that we have here. So this is the overlap. Isn't it that we have this, we counted 5 twice. So this here will help us remove this, will help us not to count 5 twice. So what are we going to have? Here it's going to be odd numbers are 3 over 6, plus a number that is divisible by 5. It's only 5. It's 1 over 6. And then where is the overlap? The overlap is here. It's 5. It's only one number, right? So it's going to be that number, which is 5, and then over 6. So the final answer will be, this one is 4 minus 1. I don't have space. Let me just write the final answer here. So 4 minus 1 is going to be 3 over 6. And then when we simplify this, we can divide by 2, no, by 3, I mean to say, by 3, and then we're going to have 1 for this one, and then we're going to have have 2 for this one. So this should be your final answer, right? I hope it makes sense. Please be careful here when you deal with such questions where there are overlaps, right? Bye bye, and good luck for tomorrow.